Ufike ufikile azilahlela. Aba irregular, aba key player. Why laba bangasibaka chance ukuthi uyeza is comfortable is set. Chiefs boy the most decorated team like South Africa. Uzositshela ukuthi useza.
Mbokazi mfethu ufikile breakthrough season. Akunakuthi bazokunikeza.
Abaplayer Pirates abakayile special treatment. Why abafana be Chiefs what so special treatment?
Ushabalala kunina lapha. Dala lapha mfethu. Something umtshela nama you still settling in.
Let's say I will maintain and you find that this is really your kid. Uzofila kanjani?
Uzofila ngathi.
Akakusuka lo tabengazi. Yezini, yaxolisa ukuthi bengazi kosho lo muntu obhizi nabantu abantu.
Ngibona nge-music video. Kaya wona music video and you hearing the beat and it's like atanga mina there's a music video but I'm in this song. I don't remember ever shooting a music video. Angikhumbuli ukuthiwa tangasami shoot. Le imene le tanga ibona i-situation isenza tanga
Itshele khamenta. Itshele. Oh, uyathi ngimene. Itshele khamenta. Itshele khamenta.
Sabona bafethu wa PC computer lo. Asinyazi.
I mean, it's your second time being here, so.
Abadala bakhona bayamazi. And guys, if you're new here, subscribe and do whatever you want.
Like and subscribe for real.
Yeah.
Holla at your boy.
Yeah.
Holla at your boy. Infinity over here.
Let's episode eshisayo. Squatile nathi njengojima shihu. Akuthwa kabathu ba, thushota rejwana.
And to show what you want to do,
Yo off.
How do I
Akafela ungawazi. Siqhubekele ungawazi sengilayidile izo connect somewhere. Siyarecorda la, asirecord.
All right, gents. Damn.
So yeah, guys, asiqaleni light today. Wonke umuntu sekazi introduceile ngisho. So fele sharp afethu ni grand ngisho.
I'm good.
Simnandi can't complain, you know how it goes.
Sipholile namhlanje angasikhuluma nje isipholo open charts. You know,
let's get into it for real.
Yeah, so topic for today, asiqaleni how was your weekend, gents? Like from the start, mina yambe beyipeta, manje.
Come back.
Bephetha makabe mnandi shoot manje. Ke wabona mawuthandaza ucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi akubonise akuvulele akukhanyisela akuvulele indlela
akubonise for real.
Yeah, akubonise kamampela then you realize.
Yo,
intenza kalile.
But okay, God is showing you before this weekend.
God has been showing me ever since boy. Yeah. Yo, ukuthandaza kubalulekile mfethu. Ngiyanizwa nina lethi
yasibana ndoda iza nazo usikhambile kahle.
Shoot my tanga weekend this week trip in Mpumalanga nale yabo.
Yeah. Hey man, what was the trip about? Like, you know.
Hey, that's the funny part.
Okay.
Okay, not funny but inspirational part. Shoot my besiye graduation ceremony. Party. Your family yonke.
Okay.
As long as uphethe lesson imiyaleyo family.
Okay.
Now we graduate.
Okay, yeah.
Invited.
We graduate.
Yeah, family, friends, and all that, relatives, and all those.
As long as Bama graduate.
As long as 2 years scale. As
long as ufundile.
Yo, for real. So Baba excluded la Baba maybe.
Kanjani mfana bunga mvumelanga etendeni.
For real.
Bongana suka ngala ela petende bishanga ma 7 colors amaslashi into bongana
people are looking on point boy.
So obviously if vela zangu to graduate.
Nah.
Like let's say after matric you had a plan though, you know what I mean? Like
whatever it doesn't allow you to be in the tent.
Okay, mara then another thing, why are we invited? Vele masinga graduate.
Kahle.
To support the graduate.
No spectator.
Mara abantu abamnyama tanga ngitshele. Mina yazi ngibona ngathi le event yenzelweni tanga. To compare boy.
Obviously I mean like abantu abamnyama tanga ekugcineni tanga.
Yeah.
Ayisana into yokucompare into khona dog yo we.
Because
yabona ukuthi bajabulele ini ugraduate hayi ukuthi umntana khona maybe uneplan. Uyangithola ukuthi noma plan la khona maybe yabo ibhola. Or content, phela ne content in the mind dog.
Yeah.
Or whatever it is nje bona bafuna ukubona cap and gown. Babona ngathi mayabo.
But besides that, you know when I was watching that, I felt ngathi tanga because like there was a point whereby the one who was speaking was like differentiating between the people that she's actually introducing, like Mrs. You know, like when you went to school and it's a Mrs. that means that you have like a master's and all that.
It's
Diploma, master's. The difference, and then you have a doctor.
Oh yeah.
And then
Masters.
when you have a teacher.
Yeah.
So they specify the difference. So if you don't have those titles, fana nokuthi ufana nami kumele uhlabe imbuzi nami
Isinayida ngamababiza lapha let's say bathi Toto bathi Dr. Toto KG yena mabambiza bathi Mr. KG with a diploma
udokotela mfethu
kuthiwa Dr. kumele shayisa kakhulu tanga ngokufundile lo muntu
Specify into leyo ngendlela so balekile for bona
balulekile for wonke umuntu ukuthi wazi ukuthi le awuthi le udoctor
yeah qualified ngale ndlela le
yeah it's not just a bachelor holder or a diploma holder
yeah udokotela
doctor he's got a master's or a PhD in 1 2 3
so la bayana like what was the vibe basically because obviously abantu aba sophisticated muslim doctors and all of that banjani bona
yeah
how was the whole setup
bakhiyele notshwala lapha
yababona man kadini my sponsor wala
no brother you know what's the thing about this type of events I think it's segregated in a way segregated in a way immediately Moshe attend and you say only a specific type of people are allowed in the tent you're already cutting the others and the others you know what's happening now right? It's like they're not getting anything first. The food goes there first. The drinks go there first. Exactly. It's sort of like that. I mean, I'm to get the personally. But as a majority,
that's what it is. I'm a far like it's point blank period. Okay, Marana, 2 years when I'm already.
In America, like, is there like a necessity for a graduation party?
It differs on the perspective of the families. And you should want to value abanye bakhule vele babona ngathi education ibalekile
is the key.
Albert Einstein once said imagination is far important than education. I understand mara obviously eminye imindeni yo understand maybe umzala zanga zafunde yena mara uzenzile plan so ufuna inxusa ukuthi ifunde yangithola wena amabona uzofunda yangithola mara
you know just speaking on that education stuff and the institutions and stuff like that because like you realize when you were there with him UNISA, UP. Somehow, bro, you have relatives or your cousin or your aunt has a friend there who's a professor and whoever is a
tutor, in all those departments.
Basachela go to apply.
Marama ufuni isikolo wena bathi
it's let's see
into
iyenzakala for so long seyizijwayelekile ukuthi okay like yabo
baratanga let's say uncle lakho yidining professor UP vets okay you want to go to vets now uncle ke batlo kena ra vets my marks are looking good I qualify for whatever that I want to do uncle uthini ntwana apply you apply come January
no joke, like
I said,
I'm more phone like I'm more phone, but how apply it's depend how cheap your events.
No, but then like some of these universities like differ maybe a certain qualification like
no you qualify
you meet the minimum requirement
all the universities have the same
no have the same
at that varsity you're applying to
you
meet the requirement and you've also got an insight
for the particular course also you need to have a certain whatever
as much as the space is like let's say I was good my family member of someone or that
regardless
wena mabangakufaki bazama ukuthini ntwana
no la loyo ke vele naye ngoba kimi kunamakwali private akachampisa uyabona incosi kama sister wami ifuna ukugena la incosi mina ngena ngala apply
it's not even like that one particular person in the family in most cases it's just like everybody it's like you know I feel like the older people now are jaded, tang, and he's still stuck in time, tang. Like,
it's a different generation.
Manje tang,
Kulula manje,
kumele
yenza
ngikwazi
into
ukushaya iphone call mfethu izinto ezenzakala.
Yeah.
Kumele mfethu.
Like we know it's mafuna something in this world today. You don't have to go through the whole application process.
Exactly.
More
Just have to
especially
call someone. Yeah.
More especially like
Ushaya phone call.
umuntu mbiya umtabulele okungenani.
Mfethu
Exactly.
ufuna malini ekuseni. Okay, sharp, ngiyagaya.
Amafara sokhuluma lana. Hey, yenzakala into enzakalayo like
Point ceremony. Inspirational only if in a
nakhona bengifore no prove point to whoever ukuthi mina ngiyakhona ukuyenza ceremony mara nina kumele ngangene chu like what's the
Sikhola makasiko.
yeah like kumele ngangene la nina imali lapho nibukele mi yayizwa
No, I feel like at some point
yeah
there was just a particular dress code. A particular dress
And
code
asithipwa
for you to do that.
ukungena entendeni.
fimi yana yakhona
And asithipwa ngathi naswenkile sitipati.
yo na plus
Kama uthi epatini
Yeah.
ushayijile obvious.
Yo.
Uthinte.
And the guy she's a shaya mashots on the lintona lizenzani.
Sikipa.
yini kuphela lapho
Masifika la.
abakhona abanye labo baswenkile babona
Besibaningi boy.
Tabisa.
Besibaningi sihleli nomunye mawulidi lapha uthi yena she's an attorney.
yeah
Yangithanda mara yena uhleli ushayela izinto zama-traditional uhleli lapha
Yeah, kuba sekhaya ngomkabame
yeah
mawumpekile.
eluqedile
Akasifani nokusipana. Uhleli like an old lady u-aunt
Yeah.
kwabo aunties wakho semakhaya nje ohlala
Yeah.
emakhaya.
Yeah.
Usipanela indoda let's say kuhlalelini khulisa abantwana.
mfethu
Uloyo muntu uhleli nje
Yes,
uthi nami Attorney usinami ngabe bangitshelile ukuthi
kumele kuqokwe yeah for real cause
just because I can practice it doesn't mean she's not qualified.
qualified.
Because you
ile
qualify.
nto leyo ukuthi mayizana yabo ayisana leyo seclude abantu
That's why we segregating each other.
Yeah, it's unnecessary
There wasn't even a
because
single white person there. But as black people ourselves, we were divided. There wasn't even a single white person.
Yeah, it's the whole system vele babalimazile tanga ngoba obviously spice na sisona
Yeah.
Shana hayi nala like in real life nakhona
Yeah.
savalelisana
Sharp fede tanganya ibona ama graduation yo. Izinto eziweird ziyenzeka la emhlabeni.
for real
Should my lapha tanga obvious ngapha is like kinda yaze emakhaya man. Charity leli mara khona elinye
Yeah,
eceleni khona
space,
elinye. Yeah, like it's all same
yeah.
family but
Sure.
different yeah.
Oh yeah, na izindlu maybe mara i-charity liwan idladla leli mara
That one is different houses but
Yeah.
same family.
yeah
So event ikara
yeah
kuba nesinye space ikara
Yeah.
nabantu bachilile
Sure.
obvious. Angikumuntu angeke ahlalelile.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yami yakhala ithi mara ngeke useparate abantu anyway. Rara ukuvala istrati.
yeah kube nje indawo
Yeah,
nje
umuntu abe da.
As we see the pieces, as sometimes we blame people for being big-headed. Again, it's star since we are
Yeah.
It's star like you give him a platform to be a star.
yeah for real
So those people I'm not saying everyone thinks this way and everyone is this way. Man.
Yeah.
Please don't get me wrong. But I'm saying which sometimes it's not the visitor's fault. It's mostly the host's fault.
Yeah.
Because mina PC, let's say Sugecho is so Kesibo my tech.
Yeah.
I want to see H1. Sinan. Let's figure la paya machita nginbega la paya enzas where the party is not.
Yeah.
Nginbega la paya ngita machita mina ngizolesilukuhle. Ngizolesitshwala.
Yo, mara sengihlala
Exactly. Yangithola. Kahle ngizange even. Shukuthi ngizela ukudla notshwala
into yabatilani na relaxani la
There's a whole ceremony going on there. Abantu
So
bashisa
serious.
ilanga lapha
Yeah.
ya mfethu wena uthi hayi ngiyileta ngifuna umthuthi. At the same time ngokushile eJozi ta ngoba
ngabe
awuzange.
tawazanga uzustraf
That's what I'm saying. Mara if
Uze uive.
Uyive.
uzelele nto leli njengoba nakubeka lana mine ngiza kuba ngathi futhi ngisiwe nje for ukuzo
Ukuzorelax.
Sizwe.
That's what I'm saying. If we're tang I tell you with no PC we cannot chill here. You have to go there. Because what? I've invited you to a ceremony. Let's go there.
It must make sense for
It
real.
must-
Phela sengiswenkela nokuswela.
Regardless of which one.
Sengikalkulate lo yokhuluva vele my at least I ceremony.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Bese bakubeka ngale pension. Bangathi usuyodlala idisk.
Yeah.
Tournament enkulu dog. Tapeka nama yabona ama fans like nabantu abaserious. Bese nawe uzojwayela nokugena bese badayi.
So basically, you know what's happening now at that point?
Mm.
When you feel big. Angisho ngilethele ukudla, ngilethele utshwala.
Special.
Special tanga. Unetafula lakho. Amajita vele ngimashayela itafula cha ihabi ikhona, usiphuzo sikhona. Uma wena uyenzani uthi ubikhona. KG tanga sesilambile. Abantu bafuna iline tanga kuyashisa lapha yazo. Abantu bafuna iline wena uthi hayi kulenga ngingaphakami budget ngizofuna KG zoyehla namabhakela. Ngiyabona ukuthi if it wasn't for me bengeke ngidle. So whose fault is that? It's mine tanga as the host. Bene ukutshela ukuthi nayi tanga ngeke ngilethele ukudla le yahlala. Uzelele mina
Ibela ukuphuphuka
uzojoyina.
Sure. Maye bona bahlala phansi abantu babamilani lapha. Mina uKG yaletha ukudla lapha.
Exactly my point. Even if you condemn me with it, ngifuna ungilethele. Mina it's my responsibility as your friend because when ngilethele ngitshela hayi
Tanga sami.
Sure.
Sami so collect ukudla.
Like make it clear ukuthi kungabi na into yana complicated asami tanga so.
Because why even abantu ababheke from farm abakubona wena
ulethele ukudla.
Especially
wow
uhlise tsadi ena fola di line.
I'm sorry.
Bazokubemeza namasonto labatendoda nathi silethele ukudla.
My point exactly and wena ngeke uyenze.
Obvious phela
wena
they're not your people.
Nangapha nawo sispensa sakho le.
Akusispansa
Kahle kahle.
Wena just nakekela labo zina.
Between babalance phela nako basebenchini like.
Mele balethe game ile tha. I just come.
Abenze phela relaxation isongena manje.
Yeah. So at some point as black people, we just need to learn that we must treat each other as equals, regardless of your paycheck.
Regardless of whatever, you know what I mean? Like,
sometimes our paychecks
that's the whole thing for episode. I'm talking like, regardless of when I mean, or in because our king would come and emhlabeni into overnight. So
overnight.
Like overnight for real, like life, like overnight. Like yo, it's mine. I'm understand. Like yeah, that's it. So obviously, any dog, humbleness will take you far for real.
Yeah.
Like, and no one to careful as in. Namhlanje ngivukile. Akusho ukuthi ngimkhulu ukudlula omunye umuntu. Nanomunye next angisola. Akusho ukuthi my cause ayilana ngaphandle ngiyabona ngisho abantu uthi bayathelela bayanyaza.
Sharp fede badelelisa imali namawe.
Imali tanga. Yeah.
Should my tanga.
Yeah, no, like that's how it is. But then obviously, around and to the uzo like I was last.
Tanga ngithi sizithole lapha kuliwa nje.
Lapha.
Yeah, angisho manje abantu babekiwe side. Mababeke kanje khona abake basekasi baya invite.
Yebo.
Wena ngintwana ePortuguesa yafika lapha nabo cousin ba. Bahlala la. Bahlala nalaba aba special laba abalethi.
Okay.
Sharp fan uyabona special cool ngisho sijwayele ihleli yodwa ngoba iziyo. Sesera more man.
Yeah, okay, so kuba ne conflict nyana. Mara ayeke izijwa.
Ayikajabulisi sharp fan ngisho. Ngoba like wonke umuntu
yeah, okay. For that moment, yeah.
For that moment, akakho umuntu ophuza umutsho la komunye umuntu, omunye umphethe
la. Yebo, inangapha kunojwala isanokevele.
Isekele sigroup kanje.
Yeah.
Sharp fede kule special member omunye wana athatha isitulo asidivide phakathi ahlangane ukho yakhe.
Yeah, pass.
Show 8.
Show 8.
Yeah.
Avale lesekele so mayithula masekele.
Yeah.
Sihleli kumnandi mfethu wena sofaka isitulo phakathi ushow 8.
Ndoda. Ushikhola baflathela.
Uyabaflathela. Lesiflathela straight. Ngihambe ngilesekile flathela
mfethu. Yo.
Exactly my point.
Yayibona leyo disrespect chu.
And then yabona ke unotshwala involved so most dog what you doing is a bit disrespectful.
Retaliation is hard.
Yeah.
Okay, tanga fede simiyekile lo muntu aflathela. Ana stress. Grand, ngisho ufuna ukwenza into.
Yeah, like dog just be you young shot.
Flathela sharp fede. After a few moments, okay, kuyahlukana amagroup umuntu umuyala yakhona free sonke sekuselele igroup lebe iflathele kuphela. Leke sivayile ubonisa ukuthi vele bengashiyana ngokuhlala.
Bese nje ngokuthi nje okay fede.
Ichiftile bokuhleli bona mabafika la after a few hours.
Yona chike yahlala nje maphakathi ngokuflathela abantu.
Ikale ngokuflathela next thing yavaya.
Yabo nje befuna nje.
Vele bengashiyana.
Sathane, no sathane nje ingini. Abantu bangena usathane dog for real, like there are moments umuntu amane manafuna ukukusukela nje out of the blue dog ndoda.
Fela masekuhlukene kanje then engintwana so ivibe ihleli namalebi phakathi kwamakhuphu ithuke. Ivibe lentwana ihambe ilandelele ikhuphu evayile. Mayifika kanalo umntwana lo bekaflathele lane. Uphethe utshwala lentwana idonsa utshwala balomntwana. Mayiceda ukudonsa letshwala balomntwana iphume kanje ivibe ibuye lapha la kule khule beflathele lebihleli. Mayibuya la iphethe lo tshwala kanti lo mntwana uyamlandela uza ngemashi kwatile baselekile akayithathi nje ngathi ijoke
labo tshela mabataye phela bane Tonyana yokungakhona ukuzicontrol ababe itshajana
you don't understand. You don't
boy. Fele after lapho umntana ufika le uthini kule utshwala baba yabo le yamdlalisa nyana ishanga
itayi
uyazala umntana serious ithe la bamba khona sekuyahluthwa uthi kakho utshwala kuthela le ntwana Makuthela lo ntwana akutheli yena kuphela phela manje sekuthela nalabo baflathela
and maybe kulabo kunabantu abahlanyayo nje ngathi
exactly
yabona sisithelekile
mayibathela kanje nalabo baflathele kanje after lapho lo mntwana isitelo ukuthi sharp fele aqolise
like I relaxise
indawo yazi wenzani angisho lo tshaka sesekhona ukukusela athi shwa kule ntwana makathi shwa kule ntwana akuthela labo abange even more mfana
but
yabo bakaqeda lo mntwana yenzani uyachifta lapho khoyibhodlela kaye phezulu qwa yavaya makathi uvaya kanje bathi excuse me sorry sisi usithela ngotshwala uzuthini lo mntwana and then wena ubani
that moment, Sean. Listen, baby girl. That moment you could have answered differently.
Exactly.
And everybody would have went home safe. Everything would have been secured. Now look what you done did. You're buying me.
Kasho kanje bobaseleka wonke umuntu. Wonke umuntu yahlanya. Utungisela ngotshwala maqedwe ukubuza ukuthi mina
ngubani. Uthini lo? Yangithola manje.
Wasukuma lapha vele.
Le imene le tanga ibona isituation isenza tanga
itshele commenta itshele uyathi ngimene itshele comment mina lo mntwana ngibona seza kule ntwana ukuthi lo mntwana lo energy yakhe lo mntwana makaseza ka usukumile ngachifta ngaye move
iyangeka tanga mina ngiboni next angisho mina
ngachifta kanje phela uyasangazi kenzakalani ngibona ngisenza energy ukuthi lo mntwana lo ngathi uphethe izinto manje ngachifta cha should vele makuthelwana kenzani mina ngithinto ngayimix because vele bese ngichiftile
because vele uyayibona vele
ukuthi ngibona iseza le energy utani nento engekho right engazi ukuthi imhluthu utshwala mara ngibona aseza lo mntwana nento engekho right ngachifta
so iraw man
ene mina manje sekhona ngoba mina ngithelwanga
ene manje intombazana le
che uthela bocheri
usela bocheri
yoba
yabona bocheri abayi3 bamba ne-out cousin yabo uyabona bayakwata umntwana bakho bakwatisa besimakathini
uyabadelela
and then wena ubani
guys fana nokuthi who the fuck are you for to apologize to you
uzongena
hayi labantwana sharp fele nabo bahlanga
obvious
sebasukuma bampress uthini uzama ukuthini wena mawuthi mina ngubani
brother
ngiyele lapha shoot mine nale khube iflatheli ivayile seyabuya yonke kahle sebabona ukuthi lo mntwana uyapressiwa wish uyiseyalamula manje sithi sigena phakathi kwabantu abucheki la sithi siyalamula ngithi ngibamba baba khona lele linge ngithi yalibamba ngithi nangilibamba kanje yazi lithi angishiya hlanje ukwatela ukuthi bamthele ngotshwala ngithi bheka it's not 20 ngibambisa amafoni lo mntwana
let's
amafoni unechufu ubamba kanje ngithe nje ufuna ukula vele uxwela hamba ngithi hayi okay bye ngabamba amafoni nechufu ngabukela isho
ngiyibona le ikhumula situation kanjani ta ask me where I am
ngibukele phela mina
I'm holding the balloons chief ngibamba abantu ngibamba I'm holding balloons mfethu ukuthi labantu laba tanga ijaja tanga labantu bangangishaya anytime
yes mina ngibambele one leyo
uliva mfethu bambele one mfethu uliva mfethu akafuni inkinga lifa
I like you not but bazosidubula
Should my mase le wishi drama mayiphela kanje baxosha laba abange laba because obvious bona ngisho bebavuka kashili bafike bajoin babaxosha fabufile baphuma eJardim bathi makaxolise lo akafuna ukuxolisa lo ubiza impintsha yakhe yamxolisela no guys on happy after sorry amtshela ukuthi makaza uzixolisela akafuni ukuza ke uzikhiyele lapha eJardim manje laba sebangaphandle babaseleka bahlanye bakhuluma basakhuluma kayi vele intwana from laba baphakathi itshela labo my sister ukuthini bathi if you all still value your life nizochiefta nje la okay sesithethe sukutujula manje no sesithethe sukutujula
busy tanga alathi inota ngasekhaya la
yena tabakutubulele yini
isekibo
ngidula umuntu osekhaya
umuntu oyibo lo ayithembisa ukutubula
for labo cherry labo
tanga
from outside
yo dog
Yangibamba.
Besintu sathana kaphela.
Manje mama shona.
Sathana ngaloku umzuzu uyayibo indoda relax kusuwe lo. This not shoot up. Fight it fast. Yeah. Fight the demon quick dog.
Ikhulwane intana yamtshele babuyahlanya wena kuningi ukukhuza. Njalo bokumcimbi wena kumelulu. Njalo.
Labo bantu
sekwatile lapho sembukele mina ngithi i-visitor phela nami phela. Kumele side family kube nale side nama outside athini.
Akumelanga
yona iside nama outside.
Mina side nama outside leyi ihamba ne-family.
Hayi indoda amapena phela ngilanga phansi.
No, mama mina isitore methe ukuthi bengisayile nento right. Itanganga ngifuna usitshele ngotshwala.
Ufuna ukuthi ibe lamayana lo live.
No, I told both those people ukuthi tanga ni wrong.
No, you can't do that. And my day, na relax out.
Nah, bro. But also, let's just jump onto this conversation for a second.
Yeah.
I feel like guns, ne?
Yeah.
Guns were naturally meant to protect yourself.
Yeah, self-defense.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now what is happening now is that they're giving these guns to people that are emotional.
Yeah, makwala.
I know that you get tests.
Yeah, like
you get tests for guns, but it's usually a test to know how to use it.
Yeah.
Where is the emotional test? Where is your psyche test? Because this person is not
eligible enough
to hold this thing.
Because
Because when every time I'm fit to.
So obvious.
It's just the trigger. And that could change everything. It ruins lives. It ruins your life and it ruins the family of the people that you've hurt.
Very soon. Like same thing I Africa talks as they talk like yo. Obvious it's always respect so like just like you could have said this Marangoba you so fucking
the pride
the all of that just mixed up ngalo umzuzu and now look what you done caused them so but then obviously into some way should I son by all means just some hlonipha more especially mastagi you proving cause umuntu fukubuyele ke bakre so like I say nabazala ngisola bayabona yo ubuye usharp mntana ngithola because if it's a proving now umuntu like there's abantu abahlukahlukene ngiyonke le nhlobo ngisuka abantu abanganasikhathi ukulo khona abantu abathanda ukulo khona abantu abafuna ukuyidefine
quickly
like yo ngizona so obviously it's not worth it. I mean like sningi tanga like ningi isifuna ukuhlanganisa empilweni tanga and like ngikazizwe futhi kanje social media and all of that kulula vele uyenza whatever ufuna ukuyenza bila ke ngalahla like uzolahlekelwa impilo egrooving ekubeni imile ukhande konke lokufuna ukukhanda tanga
you still have a
so like it all boils down to respect dog when it's goes ukuhlonipha marangeke namakwala serious khona le enye kubonwambe nomunye sheri
see what I'm saying out of 10 people mnganami I don't care how good you are you can be the nicest person in the world out of 10 people not everyone is gonna like you and you have to accept the fact you have to maybe in a second year and it's fine even if isekela is 2 people
like the like very demo ngane demo basha cause
you know who's gonna do what you know who's gonna do what you have
cabanga sikumele like so uze uyeda ukena ukuthi okay anytime ingabheda ayikho sharp lento le tanga like kunamakwale amajiteni namajita azinenkinga awukhona ukuhlala phansi ekhuluma.
Yeah.
Like kunzima ukuthi ngikulande ngithi tanga wena uyiclever ngiyagcwala or ugcoka fresh tanga njengoba nami ngigcoka fresh. Come on, like yabo, like what is your whatever?
How did you get
yeah,
this?
like let's just yabo, like tanga ngikwane tanga so ne polo yangithola come in like nje humble yourself enough umtshela tanga uyiclever ngithola ungifake okungenani ayekho tanga into enzima la.
Simple yacela.
Hayi manje tanga azomisa
Do you think like it's worth it, like the outside life, if it comes with all those risks?
it's not worth it though, mara I understand that.
The risks enough for you to take the risks.
No, but you gotta understand in life, period, there's always gonna be risk.
No, like I am told saying something about Ipol.
Yeah.
Is that risk worth it? Because now you have
Mina.
a polo, but you know with buying
Polo
food.
yakena ipolo yohlezi ukitchen.
Yeah, but then you gotta understand, angeke ungayifuni into ngenxa yokuthi uzoba ne-mentality ukuthi yabo, cause nanoma unganalo ipholo ungathenga enye ikari.
They still gonna
Sikenzakala enye into, even if akusi-ox, nje enye into, like anything, ungusikhathi sakho isikhathi sakho. Mara mina ngizophila ngempilo enjani ayisani.
Uphile ngovalo.
Angeke ngibe novalo cause automatically ungachayiswa imoto or ungangena ibacteria or whatever, you understand. Like life is, like only death is promised. Yangithola, so automatically into engihamba kanje inhlonipho, like mina ngibhejile ngokuthi akho umuntu engizomdelela regardless of whatever, even if awuna next or unana, like nje inhlonipho umuntu ujo uphume intweni eziya ngithola maba kufikele ke yabo inkunzi orina mfethu.
That's self-defense.
If you got your shit and you know you about that, obviously I mean like by all means it's self-defense though, but nonetheless in order to maneuver the streets or like you gotta have respect dog. Like nanomunye athi umuntu like iba nento yokuthi askisi.
Yeah, like apologize as quick as possible.
Askisi awuthi umuntu clever.
I'm sorry.
No,
I don't want problems with you.
Yeah, like I don't want none of that cause
there's more to live for.
Yo dog, like and my out like more you like our mind ukenzela like enye.
Well, a lot.
Yeah, like banga nyethele replay puncture la ungazi. When uba bakushaya ayithola.
Umuntu mara like magalo kumele acabange yini dog, like
ulwelanda.
Like ulelani.
Yo dog,
That's what I'm saying. It's
like dog,
be a survival
out here
like why is violence the solution?
Wena ngibona hamba ne-challenge yangithola and even challenge usayishela whatever yona seyitakiwe namajita wayo vele afake vele ebhedayo yangithola
i-pressure.
hayi liyantwana vele ayigcwala ayibulisana
Realize these thoughts on it. Let's say the situation yenzeka, for example, between me and now. I've got nothing to lose. You've got a family that you're living for.
And I to like
exactly. Like I've got nothing to lose. Shafele mina. Ngiriski impilo yami. Wena uriska ukuphilisa abantu
abathembele kimi mfethu.
Inkosi.
Yo. Obviously imali sure.
Wonke umuntu obenayo kuwe manje sekumele ame ngenxa ukuthi wena udecide ukudelela mina ongana nothing to lose.
Yangisola ngoba nami nje ngokwami ngifuna prove point ukuthi ngakudelela vele or whatever, it's all bullshit dog and it's all.
Yabo. So kumele ezinye izinto uzicabange before ziyenza. Kumele ube ibhare empilweni, kumele ube ibhare.
Ubayibhale kumnandi dog.
Ubayibhale kumnandi dog. Awuthi ngiyathele mayikhatha mayibheka kabuthi ohade Gotman ngimeka.
Yeah. Like police Gotman lam. My God.
Ngimeka.
Impossible to the and like I'm sorry.
I know it's important respect in face.
I would say I'm like kule weekend yakhumbula like dog, okay. Smile lapha ngithola ngaphandle. Le outline ne, okay, turns out after the whole issue happened. It turns out this guy went to the toilet ne. Okay, this is how the whole story began. This guy went to the toilet and bekachama la ngithola yachama yaphuma. So makaphuma badibana na Diamond yangena demane toilet yabo mangene yajika yambiza hey dog awuflashanga la yangizona ayile yambheka ikuthini awuflashanga awuthabuthi ngibikusegroovini la ayamtshela le nto utawuflashanga ngiyakuthola manje ngaleya imshaye etoilet yabona ukuthi mayisebalwile ama-bounce afike babakhiphe uyangizona iyaphuma leya ihlumutlola ngasokuhlanyela i-toilet nanalokhuya sisidala kule ndaba maye khambeni grotmane le-outlane ingene emuntwini dog isacoca leya ayishayile uyavela no like lena enye he entered the car no he just rolled the window uyistartile. And the funny thing is, this shit is all happening. Guna bukhata da.
Yo.
Bada.
Babugel.
They're still solving the situation.
Bukhata bada. It's a thing of sexual violence. You don't understand. So obviously, like so yeah, majority say violence.
Yeah.
This guy entered his car, man. He was busy. Wearing. Like maybe I'm 4 steps away from it. Like big.
Yeah.
And so ayayibona le yezi yakhichi ithi yahlaba so ya understand imengeenyawo yi driver's side ingene windweni yakwazi angisona automatically ingqondweni yami ngithi yo this guy is about to die yangizona iphumile yana senza bamistile bamshaya esifubeni aphakamisa isandla umshala I understand but then uyabona ukuthi inhloso yalo yamuntu yana bekuyini
intention
pure like baby da yawuthina beyimbhola lo muntu
do we blame alcohol masewuji or it's just very umuntu nje character yakhe
yeah like I believe alcohol enhances your character so character yakhe nje and it's easy
yeah one thing alcohol never does. It never lies.
Yeah.
True colors. Whatever you say when you're drunk, brother, me, I'll believe you.
Yeah.
If you tell me to tanga when I'm tanga she's in the so tanga yang got this and that.
Yeah, actually, like I'm just tanga bomnandi yakhe tanga khabini. Yabo yo. Awukaze wayisho le.
When you get to court, it doesn't matter ukuthi you drunk.
Exactly.
Ngobi abokhata bayibonile le yalimgwazi umaqala uphuma ngontweni ya scream yangithola uyangikwazi na ukhipha iskip umaqala ufase esandleni ngithola abokhata kuba ngathi bayavaya kanti bashaya u10 bayabuya yangithola mababuya lezi azigagalu ifantwana because kune mediator kunomuntu obakhuzayo
Sikwaziwe.
Yeah, ikwaziwe leya. Sekhiphe neskipa, hey indoda yomzulu ethafu. Ngizona manje. Sesigacile esandleni. Seyashanya manje kancane kancane.
Because you can see bro, you want to kill me.
Yeah, process le ndaba lena. Njengoba le outliner iphethe lo mese ngesandla negazi ngithola. Impinch kamacala isakhuza ngithola isabakhuza ngithola. Ibakena boyithuwa ironically. Le outliner ehamba nale negwaziwe ibazi boyithula abandla.
That's crazy.
Small things like this.
It's weird, dog. Like, and it's all about lenkulumo yokuthi awuflasha etoilet.
Sebacabanela ukuthi umuntu akaflasha netoilet. And akusina itoilet la.
No, that like akusito ebalulekile taka. Like nana bataka la flash, no the fuck not inside. Can't tell me inside. Who wanna so flash and just
I bet besides the toilet.
Like now I'm kind of saying okay, this is Zimbabwe and then is a mess. And it's part of a particular gang. Yeah, with a ghastly too. And so there's gangs here, apparently, and there's all of that shit, and the police are involved. Like my ass. Because
this guy is being paid, bro, to keep quiet.
Yeah, but yes, let me put it like this. But you as a cop,
okay.
Let's say you as a cop,
Sure.
Sharp faded there's gangs and you know about it.
Yeah.
You try to, let's say, approach one with, hey, I know what you're doing and all that. He's on board and all. Then they're like, nah, bro, let's make things easy for everyone and your family. I'll give you a certain amount of money every week.
But then your family. Okay, I feel it.
Your family.
What am I gonna do? That's my family, dog. And
keep quiet.
Tanga, let me tell you, movies don't lie, Tanga.
Movies don't lie.
When it's a successful cop or investigator or this detective on Twimbo, Ayina family there, because he knows with his conscience ingayenza anytime lento le. But the ones with families, they're always the ones with the politics.
Weak links.
Weak links. Baba mntana ko hostage mfazi wakho, then you pay 50 million.
Yeah, one thing I must bukela ama movies is check with pleasant to was bale off my thoughts. And most of the time is off real life
Exactly,
situation.
like books.
They just try to portray
Real life events. Khona manje movie before bukela yabona based on the real story mfethu. Bakubonisa ukuthi lento le yenza ke.
Like my abantu
Pablo like it happened.
Siphile movie manje kahle kahle.
Now
the movie vele.
Nebele ngibhale incwadi yami vele manje.
Yabatshela lapha. Nawo abantu bacabanela ukutha ufresha.
Tala kona serious point tala like grooving tala like into kumele uhlezi ukhumbula ukuthi jo lala jo kahle kahle. Ngizilanga ini na ngizo enjoy and kunabantu
Yeah, yabo coming back to that thing of life is a risk on its own. Yabo when such events happened at Groove, tonight happened inside a family yard.
Yabo so you can escape.
So you can never escape anything.
Yeah, you can never escape. Angeke ukwazi ukuzibalekela from inkinga ngoba noma yini. Mfethu ungahlala la mfethu uzivalele fika inespider esehlala isipoisonous. Ekela le channel eyilwane. But inespider singabulala umuntu uyabonana.
10 seconds boy. Make it talk.
So you can't so the best thing you can do is to live your life to the fullest. Until very far.
Uzube sharp.
Yeah. Because you can't run.
We don't know also. But wait, does not knowing make it better for you in decision making, or would you knowing that you're gonna die in a certain day on when you're like 40 years, you know which guys, okay, now I'm selling up 50 years.
I don't want to know.
You don't want to know?
I don't want to know, man, because already I'm gonna be depressed, you know. Privately, some depression.
Cancer, that's why it's like now you know when you're dying in 3 months' time, chief.
And when the doctors they're like, bro, do you wanna die now or do you want to die 6 months later?
I'll tell 6 months later. I'm gonna pay me. Oh no, that's where you're born. No taxis out. That's where you're born. Bro,
Tanga, you were operating, besides that, you were operating on my son or something, right?
Yeah.
Let's say I'm 13, I have a son who's like 6, 7. You're operating on my son and my son died in your hands. My son died. What is my thought process? When you let my son die?
Yeah.
Do you understand? Sometimes doctors have like crazy stuff. That's why ceremony. I was waiting for people to say neurosurgeon or something. You want to go brain section.
Actually, like besides, like like just went to school and studied, and somebody who really worked hard to get something.
Even the character,
if you get like Boma diploma or what, masters in African languages.
There's a person who got a diploma. Imagine Andy gets a PhD diploma or whatever. This is Zulu. Bro, he's Zulu, dog. He's Zulu.
Oh, aye.
Now you're getting a diploma to be yourself.
No, like this sophisticated. Maybe Jungo band, labo check my bus next side. So, or in a chair, a scarf is suicide in a chair.
Yeah.
But then, like in real life, it's so what Malento
bro, you went to school for 3 years.
You're qualified to speak your own language.
Yeah, so how are you gonna make money out of this? That's
so
I'm about the chance to buy X now.
So I think it's a whole different scene.
You see, my chat is, you see, if I had heard something like PhD, whatever, masters in English, if it's English and you're new.
But there are books and all that you can like.
Yeah, but that's the whole point, Chief. We need people who are gonna study those things, you know. Because I know umuntu abe doctor, abe lawyer, abe pilot. Vele khona umuntu okumele ashayele master.
Translation.
Yeah. We need those people, Chief, who you enjoy.
Laba la emzazi tanga nje yanyiwa tanga na secrovina kuchiri tanga yo. Balwisa bafethu suka.
I feel like the reason the bros are fighting the women, dog.
It's always about females, dog.
At some point the woman came into our lives and did something.
Yeah.
ukuthi thina ayazi thina as a gents ne besokwatelana ne mara ngiyesile chance
ngeke sisodwa bedale okay afina uthiyapha you understand mayidangana kulucheri maybe danga
sefuna umhlatsa kude ya baby girl mina bazwa ngami la
like khona enye example unayo la Groovin ngithola for example abona lo cheri unama nawo sinje ngisola and then this other guy
so you are saying men are
no,
thinking for themselves men
yeah.
are thinking for themselves they're influenced by the women
not really influenced, but I'm just saying if you with a woman, I have to speak on this though. The character of the woman that you with, will develop you, and it can also make or break.
Yeah.
Because now if you had Groovana and you with a woman that you know will never start trouble, never ever will she ever start anything with anyone. And if anything happens, that means it was totally 100% not her fault.
Yeah.
What are you doing? When at that time Utsugida now because you're surprised with my hand is in the fight. Kanjan, uzofika lapho thatha umntana ukuthi oh, and then
what happened? But the thing is, we like those feisty ones. Those ones, you know, they can stand their ground and things about.
You see?
Okay, well, what happens if you with the hand at Groovin? Your hand is chill, down to earth, respectful, all of that. And then some other clown will plug you to my car. And so maybe she like it so that I'm listening say so that it's I am Bambi clever say so that Rosala man. Ita man Rosala. You understand that with my say when out you shit. Then
say exactly my point. Well, at the same time, you gotta but at the same time,
no, we out chilling.
Besides that,
the
woman was there. She played a role at a certain
time. Yeah, obvious. Having a role.
And sometimes
to think about it, chance. You know.
Okay, I'm fair for real. I understand.
You wanna tell it or I wanna tell it.
Kuluma.
Okay, you go. You go. Yeah.
Shoot my okay, shoot my Sharp fede umntwana. Maka shoot my umntwana lo ngiringa naye shoot my asilane ne outside.
Okay.
No, long distance. You know what long distance separation.
Lo mntwana lo shoot my ne. Mapeka lo mntwana lo tanga usukene ne outside. Mina ngihlangana naye the time shake pool party lapha ngihlangana naye ngicela ukumbona fede.
Lo chelu usanokuhlwana outside oh.
Yeah, utshele kanjalo. Ngisho kanjalo.
Akubehlukene.
Shoot bacabene bahlukana for that time being whatever it is, yabo. Intonyana encane. Fede ngihlangana naye saringa ngicela amanamba and stuff. The following day and stuff mina yamtshela mfethu bese ne incident ebhedayo lapha ephathini yabo. Like car crash and stuff.
Iphatheka kayenzakala ngisho. Akusho ukuthi banana namhlanje.
Dibane naye ephathini.
Oh.
After party ngathola amanamba. Mara ephathini before party bese ne incident yama car crash. Yabo. Sharp fela nandaba fele ngamanamba. Sengiringa naye 3-2 days senyamkena ngiringa naye ka. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi fele mina ngishayile ngawo. Yangitshela ukuthi hayi usahila yabo. From the outside, obvious, relationship is serious. Maka hila kanje sharp fele. Uyahila nita sharp fele anankinga hila baby girl anankinga. Mina mara ngishayile ngawo and stuff. Yeah.
Like as in like ukujwala vele oh.
Okay. Yeah, ngishayile ngawo. Yabo.
Okay, baby girl okay like yabo like yeah nayo.
Shoot my bamjela kaya akunankinga fede nini lo mntana uthi naye I'm going home for the holidays. Not even holidays. Yeah, home la outside kihlala khona. Le ex buyi ex that time.
Yeah.
Fede bacabena ngisho. Uyadana makafika da uhlangana nale out whatever happens jiki when she comes back the following day I'm like let me cover you for a minute. Fede why? You wanna see me? Why? I'm like, why do you wanna see me? Then baby girl is like, there's something I wanna tell you. I'm like, what? Wait, I'm not done. I'm like, what do you wanna tell me? Utini, I got back with my person.
But for you should didn't desire obvious.
She got nice
She got nice tea.
Yeah, but Sharp had a few days in Shanganina.
Yeah.
Sharp, but the funny part was that even in that event, what happened on the streets?
before that.
Before everything, boy,
Yeah.
yo, this hand we were working, me and my bro here.
Yeah.
And I was coming back from PTA, yabo, we were
Yeah.
in Tana, I'm not DJ there, yabo. Hey, I'm like, let me cover you. Even there, I was like, let me cover you for a
Yeah.
minute, yabo. Come
Okay,
out and
tell us.
everything. Baby
Yeah.
girl is like, bro, I'm sleepy. I'm tired.
Loyo wena kama uyamfila ngaleyo nje
Imakancane ngala question yabo. Shoot my magathi usleepy kanje.
Yeah, okay.
Sharp fere ngiyayehla mina eTexini sengicaba le yami. Tangula around ngathi ngibona umntanga sithathi wonke. Umntwana uthini? Ngisleepy ngizokubona ngakuma 7 late.
Okay.
Sharp fere ngina stress ngipholile vele because vele nathi sasekinda. U4.
Oh yeah, okay.
Le yami sida senza izinto zethu nale yami.
Sure.
Sesibhayika wela after
Yangena
kawela
wela,
yeah siyawalka sithi sikhombe kule yami la eJardin la yabo
Yeah.
masala kule yami bheka sihlangana noBhekile ekhoneni umene ngi-out yo
Akuseyothaki. Enye futhi. Mara give me so sleep.
Tanga, we know what's the crazy part about sleep.
Yeah.
Usend mini video nyana yakela lama video second now. Alele tanga usengubeni tanga ushayi
Maybe
video
tanga,
ushayi
ushela
video.
nah like real come on my video share voice video note yeah video note ngilele ngikhathele
Yo, what?
Usengubeni
What if
tanga.
my-
ake namahlangana naye lapha ekhoneni tanga oh salah
Salah tanga sadula.
Yo, damn.
Shoot my, I was like tanga when tonight they're gonna give you a live. I don't know what lie was.
I feel nah, but like, so expensive.
nah but my
that's
chat
what I
was
feel.
that I was not dating her I was still pursuing her then some shit yeah.
Nako like yeah like the eco feeling terror.
It wasn't deep because even if we out here
Yeah.
yabo like besingajoli mina naye nanoma
Na vele bengake kuze kube yina noma ngoba naku phela uthe usleepy papa ngikubona usemakhoneni out so phela
Sibonga Shaka.
yeah like bonga manudala mhlaye like just be straight or uthi
I'm
busy
busy with someone
Ngabo
else.
chela bathanda manga maka siyabayeka bakhuluma amanga wabo siwabhilini
awushele tanga bamaye tanga ne angeni khambeni ngabo tanga bathakathiwe tanga and imali outlays yababulala nangapha nazo zayibulala tanga mele ukene kutanga la emzansi makanyiwe
yeah
angithola like chance incane
No, tanga.
chance
I know you have a type, yeah. But like wait.
I have a side mina yapethe ngishire yami
type chela
Tanga, your type must be your heart, really. Tanga.
Yeah, duh.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
mina ngifukese the impossible ngishire yami so baba bayangitsakatha vele mina ngiyazi
I has been 19. So this is another hand that I met.
yeah
This is another hand that we met.
yeah
So my this hand tanga man.
sure
Presumably
yeah okay
she's married.
how
No, I'm not good how because there wasn't
no like saying like how
ukuthi like njengawe so wabo wena ushadanga mara media yakho bazoyishela uzothi ngishadile something like that
So
because you are that close
that's what I was.
I'll tell you can hey
Izo mina ngithi ngisithola kuma corridor fethu kuma passage nalo mntana lo tanga ngi unbelievable ngithi
ushadiwe mzuzu
ushadi.
usho njalo
uthama ukukhuluma ukuthi abashadiwe like
Tanga I thought I was gonna die. Tanga these are the people with guns. Chief.
ushadiwe ma-out iphuma nda cause mina ngi-out mangashada itshe lami ngithola la nanoma ngathi itshe lami ngikushela yona ngokwazi mina ngiyaceda ngayo fast angeke wena uyospread ama-rumors ukuthi abe ngiphisa itshere yaleya and le ishadile before uyoringa le itshe lami mina ngicede ngale house
ayena iclever bebhizi nalo mntwana
qaphela dog
I got lucky, bro.
tanga like makashadiwe phuma la i-trap da kule event ne yiva ngithini lo share lo number ne out yakhe mina angibuyi from ngapha ne but then sengiyazi ukuthi okay this particular she carry out there okay now I know that shit intona le employment nayo ithi yabuya ibuya idama 5 yini and iza ngim straight mangena ngithola etanga uzibani banongishayi angizwala ubani lo ngishayeleni
Now it's a
like ngiyaphakama initially angike umuntu lo nombhekile uboy futhi like baqeda ukumphuthuma ngaphandle bangena boyithu
bese uyakubheka ukuthi
relax yona ibheke lo boy yakuba kahle lo boy uza kimi nami ngihleli phansi ngishaya amabhiya ngisola makafika uboy vele ngifuna ukumchaza uboy ngisola ukuthi nambheka bheka hayi maye lo ngisola ayibona into uzibani angilikena legama ngibheke outsizaya into leza lapha phela ngiyazi hope akusiyo leza lapha lo boy angitshela ngayo ngoba yo yangisola aliyano tifiki yahlanya yangizwa ithi khamani uyavutha ngitaye uwe lo muntu lona ngaye ngitaye hayi akuliwa la yahlanya la yona zathi uzala uyahlaya uzamakela batala zokubaba zobaba uyakena ubalo ithi no le ntona lena isho ukuthi le ntona lena isho ilanda imedem la kamacala bese ringa amasimba kule medem ngayo macala.
Guys, don't do that though.
And then I want to get out. We share out. Maybe Peliga for the shot. Basically, in my
6-7 years at least.
Now, what should I buy? Maybe I buy a single. When we are good, we are a straight Kajian. Maria Bow.
Young Kazi.
Like,
you take
I feel I was right. Lala, we were right. In the Sitala, I tell us the word over right.
Abantwana nabo bacaba
but still
interested still
tanga insensela bese tanga makaphorekile outside ene ole outside imthathe iyomthengela ukudla bheka itayi kuyaphola like mina sami ngithenga ukudla ajabule yangithola athi ena lapha sekhona le outdeni yabo ithi ubani amela akuyibona baby girl yena maybe like yangisola
it's a joke to her.
Yeah, like nje ufuna ukubonisa ukuthi like ingamthemba nangapha uyongithengela ukudla ngiyabonga
nangapha senza ukuthi nanoma if sekayabanjwa athi ngijelile lo out busy ngilala
yo bafethu lento lokudlelwa bafethu hey
But like it's personally I wasn't interested. I was just interested in the fact that people said they are married and they like we're still weighing their options, which is crazy for me.
Like how can never bafethu bakhetha wishela badizi for ukuyenza amameli tanga like tanga ichere tanga kumele uyenze imeli tanga
personally I don't think they were married though.
No, it's not married.
I don't even think they were carved down.
Yeah.
Alright, please.
Yeah, we didn't see them even kiss once.
Once down.
My friend, what was that from game?
So this two that met there again. This two that.
Bese babambana kanje phambi kwethu yabona.
Nice. I can't make it to
shatile le
I can't tell the answer. I don't know bipolar.
Hey, bipolar,
baby.
An extra chromosome.
No, mntana lo shoot naye tanga.
Bipolar like different personalities.
Scope different ezabanye. Lo mntana lo yena sise can you imagine umuntu egroovini adlala ngama Rubik group.
Ha.
Ungalahi. Like baphuza mntana lo uyashisa tanga no la.
Baby ngedlala ngale nto le. Hey, ngiyelana ngayo. Hayi, qhubeka.
She was the prettiest one there.
I kept saying funny stuff. I kept saying funny stuff the whole night.
It's time to sleep now. People are sleeping now because it's the Friday we arrived. So the event is Saturday. So it's Saturday in the AM, 1 AM too. What's it guys going to see you now? Don't you better get everything in
the awukhona ngokwenza tanga into ufuna ukuyenza phela thina
izuthi bathi siyolala
Ithi phela thina
uthi guys me I'm not gonna sleep, maybe I might take a cat nap here and there, but no, I'm not gonna sleep. But
why?
Uthi nah, because like there's a lot of people and I'm gonna hear them breathing.
Oh my God, baby girl, you are so sophisticated.
Exactly like
that. So much shit going on. At the same time, so baby girl, like lento le kuzwisho manje, like Yeah, Gambin, like what happened in your brain?
Nah, it's
for you
something
to
she's
say that.
used to. It's her life. Like,
Utshwayela-
can you imagine playing with Rubik's Cube, boy? People are
Estupid.
thinking, people are playing hard.
Khona
When
lena
I'm playing,
emkhombile ngamazaza. Sekulungile itsona yedula. Ma obvious now so.
I mean, I understand that.
Understand.
Then I understand you too. It's me, I understand that. I understand why we answer that. He thinks it's normal. It's normal.
Let's do it, baby girl.
We know what you're trying to do.
And I can explain out to get it down. I'm sibuza sithi tanga ma baby girl. Ita umakhiwo him. Sit sharp face. Yabo.
Yeah.
Okay, wenzani? Nah, bro, but it's not deep. It's like we just talking, getting along, and just there's nothing deep.
Okay. So shower and
Some general tangas, we not children.
like lento lena ufuna ukuyenza phezulu namanga siyazi thina uthi yami alawazi kuba udlala ngale square namanga uyamtshela kudaba
Yeah, long fundis.
yo
We shall get 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
like noma imixiwe
Solo wa high.
ahai
Ahai
bheka ichufu
Yeah.
akaphuzi
Uyaphuza. Noma sika tanga 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
You know.
noma khona enye into ayibhemayo namama
No, bro, man, I'm just saying.
I'm sure maybe I'm a police.
amaphilisi wami orubhayiphola abantu
Yeah.
uyagula vele
Asas.
ophela
People say it's normal, but there was this time walahlekile la bad idea.
Rubik's Cube.
Lapho khona izinto ezingasisikho ukuthi
Benza ngathi tanga her walls are closing in. Tanga shukela.
Benza
Tanga.
uyashaya
and then ngiyambheka ne
tanga ndifunana ngophela kanjena tanga uyitophumeze lojini uma yathi cha besa buyela
akusho sida mfethu sida sempimbini phela Kuthe mase like iscooter so bisithuka sikuba baby girl.
Where's my
Coming,
Rubik's?
where's my Rubik's? Avaya endlini. Azangabuya ngithile.
Ngena mina ngenza hayi ngikhathi ikhekhe tanga ngikhe. Ngena la ngishaya
Nama
slice.
khekhe la.
Ngishaya slice lapha mengisibamba bangena ekitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen. You haven't seen a Rubik's.
How?
Bengibheka lo mntana
Those
tanga.
guys.
Bengibheka lo mntana tanga amehlo abovu twana. Ngithi in my mind ngithi angibonanga but in my mind I'm like uyakhala.
Hayi man. Vele uyekicala babalana man udlale man wena man. Awuzodi lento.
Uyakhala.
Yeah.
And you know how I know ukuthi tanga not everyone likes that type of personality because khona omunye umntana bekamsupport the whole night.
Supporta ini?
Yeah, nah.
Lokuhlanya.
You know.
Yeah, lokuhlanya ngikusupport.
But then in the corner with me and she's talking in private.
Nathi makakhuluma nathi uthi makasharp lambona. Ngasharp.
I'm like,
But she's a good friend in a way to her because
Yeah,
she's
yeah.
supporting whatever she's going through.
Bese private umringa masini.
Ukhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah, amasiba iqiniso kahle kahle. Iqiniso lekho mnandi.
Tanga nomntana ulala
Yeah.
30 minutes. Abuye. Ayokhala 30 minutes. Abuye.
Tanga mina ngabona kwami ngeke tanga nje.
Le yami imshayele i-dash nyana or i-slash i-alcohol. Ngona drink.
Yeah.
Umntana athi yes.
Wena tanga shama slash.
Tanga wena ngomtolerate umntwana nje ubusuku bonke.
Mina.
For ukushaya ne.
Ukushaya.
Yeah.
Ayiphetile makumele ushaye.
Tanga lo mntana lo akenibuza question njani?
Yeah.
And what would you do if it was a zombie apocalypse?
Baby girl, listen, I'm gonna save you first.
What type of conversation is that? Ngifuna ukushaya mfethu.
Yo, ndotsana ngazombi.
Ngifuna ukushaya.
When you chike wula bazombi, you know what? I would take you to the toilet, you know, and I was just locked there, you know, and you know, it would be our final moments together. What would you
And
do?
that one, bro, that one is like no, the fucked up. Just like out like couldn't. You know those type of
Let's get it. Tanga melu story. I'm sorry.
Alice
Tanga like
fundamental.
chess. ayi-chess tanga
Sakhe na why ngithi ibhari leya because thina mesifika mesikhuluma
chess angitsona manje uJerusalem hayi bheka defender lento
Hayi Bishop.
hayi baby girl uyamlimaza wabheka papa leyo bishop marino kwadonsa la bomama engaloku topic mina tangasamawu
Mina msebenzi.
aze athi yangizona
nomntana lo thina mesifika lapha ayi-1 mesimkhulumisa 2 minutes nebhari nodo zathola iklina ngaliklini ibathroom
beyidlile
uya-check-a ngewindow ukuthi sikhuluma naye
yo uyancheka
Izigijima.
uyanala mina
Kana selo baby girl kanje. Iyafika ithi sukuma kulomntana uyasukuma ihlala esipuleni.
Dalisana.
hawo awuthiyami hayi tangingavile lezo tanga phela azini awungavile lezo njalo akena hayi ndoda phela mayimele nimkhuze bekumele nimkhuze vele phela tanga naye kabi
Ingama yasizanga nayo vele.
mara obvious phela nangathi nayo nje ngokwayo
I wish that Andile was in this situation. Because Andile, mesomeka sure.
Uyitshela
Mesomeka tangayazi yes. Next time after 2 minutes done.
andilele put to me
But if baby
Mesomeka okay tanga after 2 minutes ngasakhuluma ngamazombi tanga. Azikhulume kahle.
Yeah.
Samtshela ukuthi tanga khuluma ngento
that was your first kiss
Okutshela lo mntwana,
izakade esikele
okutshela lo mntwana ukuthi nawe ushawa i-depression udinga umoya sambe sobamba ispace.
yeah
Wafika nazo mjutha kahle imfushi.
tshela ukuthi like yasolo ngiringa namehlo wakho emahle yo ngizona
I didn't hear that guy say
Yeah,
anything like
that
that.
guy was busy talking about novels, series.
about Torrent
Bayitshela about Dorian Gray.
baby girl, you know what happened? Hamlet. Oh, you love Hamlet. I love Hamlet. Romeo and Juliet. Itipi
Yeah, baby,
esikhathweni ayendoda bheka abafethu lo muntu akahlala ebenjini erefre amaleplena telela banelesaplo asikena lezo zingafuni uphume
Mina ngale fast food style sasingena.
i-order ngasabonga phela mayina kesidlisa umacala lapha ayabhona mawudliswa iplate ngesimini
Tanga marabu tanga. Yazi South Africans.
yeah
Ya tangasiyekela abantwana sasashe something boy mina ngikhala
South Africans.
umgaco boy yo.
hey
Boy.
They too. The country is in a mess.
We took
Okay.
we took 3 to 4 hours to get to a place where we could have gotten by 1 hour 30 minutes plus.
like it's potholes and all of that
On
it's
top
just
of
fucked up.
that, our routes are unfinished, boy.
yo
I
yeah
swear.
futhi Mpumalanga I know
Oh.
like ukuya Mpumalanga khona na bese ku vacation yo bekumele vele sigene ngehlathi because indlela siyiphila
Besides the church town, it's the road, man.
What?
I swear
The
that
project, boy.
the project that started January, I'm sure.
yeah
Been on it.
January,
For months.
Ever since in Yamaka last year,
Oh,
and
Baba.
December. The project.
Does it take that long to build a road, guys?
imali yami le Ngathi la nazodlala ngamina ngikhule enhlabathini elizohamba enhlabathini ngiyathatha le mali ngizodlala ubona
Hayi tababheka taba. Chafile mfethu la siyakhona amateksi aphela mfethu. Mike samba simile 30 minutes. Sibe 30 minutes simele ukuthi le moto zangale zifike lapha kithi zisidlule. Kuzokwazi ukuthi nathi sihambe basivulele
In one lane.
yo awuthiyami lapho ujahile cabanga usohambulekile ke lapho yo like you
So,
can humble
tanga sigcine sibamba ama-topic lapha etekisini elingi-hotman eselithi bana yami ngocabanga i-abuse iqala kuphi
yo same time yo
Akela le yami ngoba ifundile le yami ke. Ithi. Hotman le yabuza icala endlini. Hey le ntana Hotman yahlala kancane ne.
ecabanga trikisa konze
Athi woza la ntana yami.
Bambisana.
Alright wena mfana. Alright.
uqala endlini vele ndoda besides ukuthi ba-abuse wena ncosi into ozibonayo wena
Exactly.
ukuthi maybe abuse olidlayo
esigila sibona abantu sebanema-enga bashayana otherwise dayile ngicala endlini
tanga khona izinto engangamampela la ngaphandle ngithi mina umhloniphi umuntu ngoba yo ayi mara kuyafana enkathini zamanje nanoma uhlonipha tanga nje abantu banamadimoni
Wena ikutraumatize le nto
Kusaba ama-topic hotman lithi ngenkathi zami bengidlala bafana bami uyazazi ama-hotman awazikhohlwa
lezo inkulumo yazitanga ish
Shayithi ngiyakudala tanga.
igama ngazi
Ila makhotban vele wakenayo.
yeah lezo inkulumo liyakena njalo nje
lebe bayibuza bathi alikena idiski
I was thinking any out one qualities.
It's a favor le.
And Chiefs my face tonight. Choosing you we feel ngizoliza ngohlelo bese yashaya isikhuphula netro.
Machita Chiefs ayina player chance.
Akanje ama Chiefs ashisa.
Ama player we Chiefs are average boy.
Ile into encane ubapangisa le into encane. Bese bafaka le into encane.
Sezi squad asimzansi ukuthi uJunior can criticize abantu mara tanganani yasibonela lezi zinto ezenziwa ama player we Chiefs. Ziyana ku Cavs to show one tanga like ayikho bezidlala. Like it's pop football boy like nasekasi badla ibhola elibhetha on poor facilities, poor fields boy.
Memele coach ibheje ngalento
bheka ama player we Sundowns wethu. Sundowns ngabheka ma 2-3 usho ukuthi le liyadlala mfethu. Like i key play. Who's the key player of Chiefs?
Yo kumele babheje ngalento encane. Kumele bakhulume lento encane bese babheje ngalento.
Tangakhuluma ku MTC yasokhuluma ku Elikini man. Mina
Tangila manje atangiyenzile lento. I-Chiefs ingahlulwa yini?
Bheka le asibheki la ku PSL mfethu. La mele uvele sophela.
Mase ufikile ku first team akunakuthi umfuthe ufikile azilahlela. Aba irregular, aba i-key player. Why labo abangesi bakayichance ukuthi uyeza is comfortable is set. Uku-Chiefs boy the most decorated team la South Africa. Uzositshela ukuthi useza.
Mbokazi mfethu ufikile breakthrough season. Akunakuthi bazokunikeza.
Ama player we-Pirates abawagayile special treatment. Why abafana be-Chiefs batho special treatment?
Ushabalala kunina lapha. Tala lapha mfethu. Samfuna umtshela namayo you're still settling in.
Angabi yena like starting lineup player namanje kanjani coach.
Basala kumbeka benjini ukududa.
No court konje ubani.
Ubani le court. Seri.
Le court escora nyana leyo.
Mthetho.
Leyo. Itangala ke umla tanqinini kubele coach tanga.
Makatanga mina le ntamkhalisa tanga. Considering ukuthi talent engaka tanga ikasi tanga. Next thing masibela Chiefs. Team enkulu eSouth Africa tanga like.
Dlale baba.
Shabalala solo bench sayingobo tanga.
Angokukudi tanga. Maka like into ngisho itanga ama player Chiefs akho special like they're just good.
Bayafana same level
average like akudi.
Ayeke into wow.
Like ngaphetshisa lo mfakelo nothing will change.
Yeah, ufaka lo keeper lo kuyafana. Akekho ukubonisa ukuthi mina ngimehluko. Akekho ngene igame nge mindset ukuthi I am the difference.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Anima iqala ku mindset.
Iqala ku mindset.
Kipulile ufaka umodi still side field.
Singabaqosha sibacoshile abo coach tanga maka ama player mangafuna ukudlala ibhola ikinto esizoyenza.
Mara if ama player waphethe ngawo. Mele uphethe ngawo.
Mele wena self uplay uzitshele monge.
Mele uyibona
mina ngumehluko.
Mele ubone ngiya receiver le ngishanga 0-1. Ngishayikela la manje.
Ukuba nokwazi
uyibona. Abajim avekwenyiwa.
Mfethu yazi tanga even if as a Chiefs fan mobukela umfukeng mfethu iyajabula tana uyabona manje.
Yeah, as much as some Chiefs fan mawubukela ibhola le Pirates ngana proof.
Sela
Mbule.
Kaka. Tanga umbuli yasijabulisa tanga. Yakini le festashula uthi upresile wena uyalithola
Mbule. Hayi baba.
So you see
police. Murem. Ama difference, ama game changer boy ama
Pirates. Show Pirates show mina nje ngene.
Uma khuphe as much as bangam what? Key play. Wenza difference.
Mafeletsa.
Wenza umehluko. Chiefs awe key play lenza umehluko tanga.
Mina kuBucks ngele bagayile intwana yami ithuba VV lo Silep yabheka mina ngiyabhejela kubhayana ngimfile. Akho into ezoyenza
ngabona udansile
akhohlwa udansile usafuna ukwazi ngayi le enye encane le enye akhohlwa afile yini namazimo mara mina ngiphethe ngokasi kasi khona into azoyenza bamgayisikhazi
Phethu yazi tanga
urive uhambile ama players phezulu
tanga in a big team if you're not working out abukulone boy
samkelo zona uvalile bamlone ethi usiwelele
siyabona dog
asiwele
shisa mashiyane cabanga umashiyane kunini
kana bamlona manje
kunini aku Chiefs
urust
amara udlalile mara ku Chiefs
udlalile ngenkathi zakhe la kubhekana nama player
mara
yabona ukuthi tanga mara guys mafita
no but good
players like but they're not extra special
like abafuni ukuyika man ngithola manje
abekho like awuma bhekile ucabanga into ukuthi amara umbokaza ngadlala ku Premier League awumfukeka ngencenga lapha ku awucabanga ama player we-Chiefs
pass asifuna ukuyenza
something yenza ukuthi baningi Machita as a message to you Machita acela siyeke ni disk Machita ngesilula bafethu Cause manje because commotion because line libabi line
Kuleka kanjani sokuchiefs mfethu?
mfethu return line because now machita
abafethu banethemba
No,
uzoyenza noma wazi ukutrap uzoyenza daba chimp
Eba udlalela iChiefs unesala ungaliyeka.
let me tell you
angahlala ebenchini njalo
let me tell you that ukuthi thina machita sikawathengi in South Africa. As much as in America they've been complaining about machita the black Americans that side. They're focused too much on basketball and not focused on like what they're gonna do with their lives. Not like South Africa is becoming the same thing. We are focused on becoming soccer players. Not like team in the league is number team 9. But it's number team 16. But come on.
abali abantu abazofika
Dlala level.
athinathi babali abangafika lapha phezulu jo babali kakhulu jo mara if wena ubheja ngayo mara ungakhohlwa ukuthi okay
There's a life that you must
ingahlali
live.
ngaphumi angizona ya
As much as like bathi many are called, ne, but few are chosen. La emzansi sibaningi esizamidiscutaba. And sometimes kumele uclock like come back to reality. Uzicabange tanga una 26 udlala ama tournament ekhasi. Ukhola ama 5000 every tournament.
ngalepola tangela manje
Ngibhlungu ne mara we must face reality bafethu
Tanga simathi izibhlungu tanga baningi abantu kumele baliyeke. Shapeli talent likhona mara uyabona tanga intombi yangavuma. Bazokutshela ukuthi utepongise ungene PSL ana 26
Tanga yona teko baba.
Now uyazibona ukuthi awukudela.
You don't take shy chop. You can't do that.
utengela choco 5
Oh, tanga as much as ne. Tanga mangasihopa too much chuwaye.
tangabheja ngawe
Mina angani ne. Becha ngawe tanga ne.
uzofika lapha
Makataka pe una 28 udlala itournament ekhasi.
28 tanga nawe siyabo wona wafika ku PSL yo khansela ngakhiya ndoda ngoba 2
Lokufika PSL tanga udlala 3-4 seasons.
But
Bese ublow imali ekhasi.
apelija so
Chaza abantwana utayi.
I'm saying big.
Le time I'm safe full.
Tala kapaya ma-recruit mano abafethu abafikile phezulu babuya enye into ke mangabe usuka play ivele ufikile la discipline awungabi savele
Ngikuhlalisa ethembeni.
wona discipline ndoda
What discipline in China, most of the time, it's not even discipline. They lying, bro. They just don't want you in their team.
Mina ngithi asikayina abantwana abancane chat mfethu. Umdala mfethu Hotman hlala phansi ukabantwana
awuhlale phansi ekhulumani ungaforce kutshele kayi2
zabu coach.
I'm your coach. We are calling that rose. I'm an experience. I'm sorry. If you get cast, I'm a chitazi. I'm an experience in the motor but I'm a trap.
Ufika kule level.
khanda
Mina ngihlule kulo kuyimaintain maybe mara wena ungayimaintain uphethe mina
la
ezikhathi.
basitshela abatanga laba bafuna ukutshelana tanga like
Bazokutshela kanjani nabo basazamubuyela.
utshela sokutshela tanga abanye abo coach ngesinye isikhathi akunamakwali phela nangapha
Bayazwa mina ngithini uzokutshela kanjani naye asazama ukufuna ukubuyela
I
la.
got give up.
Instead uyintwana encane ushawa number 10 ukuhlaba isicukshana esicathulu kufaka kanjani 6 months awudlali uyintwana unetalent.
Ayakena ekazi desa sigcina sithi hayi uMadala sekafile bekamnandi. Cause manje sesikufaka ibhathi. Sikufaka ibhathi uMadala
star
But we star.
Ena into tangenza ukuthi like intwana ezincane ezitelela ama Hotman these days ukuthi le ntwana ikhula ibukela ne jikijiki sedlala nawo Sheffield nawo. Vele izogcina itelela tanga. Why? Sekwazi ukufaka ispine.
Ikishaya ngedolo.
Izolanda imedia yakho mayibona lapha outside.
Because my uthi ijima nawe. Ngiyatshela ukuthi wena ufika 4 ungafika late ngo4 bakushayisa ama round ayi20. Yabona uyabona le.
tusafika bataye ndoda ngayikuma nemanongene la ndoda awu man
Ukuthi wena
ushamara abakubizi solo ushamara ndasibizi lo yabona yena isikhatsabaya man kanti awufinisa kule badlala ibhola yakungisisela hayi coach awushamara
Akene kuthini? Ngikulethe la itangazi covered boy. It's fine. Konje wena uthe ubani? Cabanga tanga obuya ku Chiefs no one knows your name. You see it's useless. It's CV yakho says nothing about where you come
Ayithi
from.
siyancane ama talent akhona ama player profile mayengavumi sokuma 27 atangaleke juice aminini.
Angikwazi ukugugula.
tawufika ku 27 tawungazama ngento
Player profile ingakavumi.
aba bapeka for justificate mayinasa le 7 years bangazodlala kane ngishaya 20 nebaba ngane ngishaya 20 mina bangitsheli
I mean that's what's happening man.
Yeah,
It's true.
and that's you know it happens because of that. Ukuthi it's been a while, and then now you just like there and what happened? Oh my god.
It happened.
Takamara much seriously again, gents. Come on. No man, there's pilots that are needed.
Pilots, dog.
Doctors that are needed.
Yo, ngehlala ikhona balandela dog. Kunini na 27 ngiyabalandela ngifuna ukufika le ngitshela ngokupilots. Yo, awuqala kuphi la?
The streets are dirty, gents. The streets are dirty. Someone must have a room in a to clean the streets. The streets are dirty, the sewers are stinking. There's jobs.
Okay, when I'm out about like proper age with manje sengimdala thingileke le politics.
23
Choco 4, Choco 3, Choco. Yeah.
That's been realistic.
Now I want to keep feeling. I'm sorry. There's a possibility you would I can figure it out.
Udlali LFA awusipane nodlali disc kuphela.
Wena LFA. Awukona visit dog NFT dog tag I can come back. Shapans in the bipolar. Camera le pola le ikaw, ngomavizela le pola.
I mean, I'm saying Tanga 17, 18. If you're not playing at a high level or a super or a senior of your own team, Tanga.
Or if you play a profile like
Vumi, you haven't. Tanga si trial but Tanga trial. I know you think I haven't tried. I've tried. I'm telling you this to leave it because I've tried. I know how to talk to people. I know these
up and down.
Keeper. Ogutu when also keep 50,000 or whatnot. Bazo keep Tanga so 50,000. 6 months. Chance. 50,000 leo ngala phaya Tanga yofuna contract nyana.
Mara ngicabanga le makuhluleka abanemali ukuthi babe successful wena unganamali uyongena kanjani?
Bro.
Bakhona abanemali abahlulekayo wena une talent awunamali uyongena kanjani?
Tanga bangibiza kuma trials lapha ku Bloemfontein. Uyoya lapha ya bakuthumela eNigeria.
Zobuya sekuyistory. Khona le bhayi leso lishwapha yabuya sekuyistory.
Obale, Eso ayiculo lenza.
Ubira maru.
Ya ile nabantu bashela pelaje. Ungishela kuska. Mbe South Africa ke ungishiyalela ke yo yangisesta bangwana zonke lezi. Khuma le language kuphela la. Yo mvala. Yo benyabi. Tanga ole
Tanga na uzobuzohlanya.
Tanga baba. Ngathi ngihlaya baba bangishiye mall. Ngathi bangishiye mall ole. Yabona yo ole ndaba ngibona. Ivale isiza. Simlandi security. Ay security mele balimemeza ole ndaba ngila efitha ngibona imfethu ngizene ole ndaba la kulini kuzula.
Awuthi Tanga bakubhlungu ole lakushiya ku queue Tanga cabanga amabazokushiya.
Tanga mina Tanga bengihlaya Tanga ole ndaba lingishiya Tanga yo bengibuka la yes. La ngitsesta linginangile. You'll swear.
I get you mashi kujipa. Okay, I am a fucking gangster.
Yeah.
Mara vele yazi le ntwana ithini?
Ubani le ntwana?
Yona le bayishiye Nigeria.
Gangster.
Uchimashiho.
Yini gangster?
Usuphoka kayibhadala imali yakhe. Pirima.
Oh, iyo le.
Du.
Angakani mamile. Yeah.
No, what is nayithola Tanga sifaka ku podcast. Ngathi nezinto eziningi kumele sikhulume le.
Ubani le?
Le uchimashiho le.
Iyo abayishela ba.
Yeah.
Icula le ngoma le.
Yeah. Bathi one hit wonder ishaya ngome one seyifuna ama-million.
Baba ngikayini imali yami. Ngishayile kunina ngishinabo. Nikazokujwayela. Bathi ngishaya kangaka ndaba yami.
Ithuma
Nigeria ndabazibela kubeba nabantu ukuthi basile.
Ithuma phokisa uhlulekile ukushaya song of the year until kufika yona.
Emapolisa ume mana. Eshi.
Amapolisa yathatha mina.
Don't stop amapolisa.
Mara amapolisa Tanga noma kayenzani bafethi ngeke ibe prison le yami Tanga.
Hayi clever lo phori. Abheka.
Asithi lokho.
Yadlela umlindo kule ngoma le yama players. Ayila music video Tanga ngiyabona mara Fruitman umdala kanga Fruitman. Uyalibona imali yegelezi iphethe incosi yayo yendlela. Tanga abaphothe ama-blessed Tanga ngicabanga la ibhanya bona isala bojer la bana na uphuma police na vele la. udlela abafethu ayisana la emhlabeni nje manje amakhuthazi sengicela ukudlela abafethu abasema high school lama youngins lawana 18 21
people are dating people that
amakhut man ayapha panisha abafethu hal panisha abafethu
mina ngitshela bikana 10 wena udlala i-senior tanga udlala professional football una 25 ala 10 umntana lo mara manje ujona
Medama kasha 18 kana usha 32 uyambona you ayi mfethu lona right khuluma na relax akhuluma sacela abayezi le khuluma uniphula abafethu umoya phela lothike ngiyomshela ngithola for example umbona vele amehlise le khuluma ebeyibona ayinomlakalaka le hayi le penetrate ngisangenanga lapha yo yaphuma yasemthatha umntana khana aqeda matric tangakhala sha 18 ta upenetrate yokuthi la 36 shanga into efike edolweni ingene yonke tanga labo ushili bayixova yonke senthamo yabona mana baby girl sizwe lezo senthamo yabuya kimbi uta perform yabona yo umntana lona nje uzibamba amehlo akanoda komsindo wena uyabona yo bathe uyabe utsemkhokha bathenga le bioplus Lutana na petu nje yena petu trovi imali yako zimzamo ya relax zimzamo nawe yabona
trovi imali yako
ndo tapelo vyazi yabona okay ulambile angilambile okay naye manyana okay no chabulile isola ila lebale ujoyeleza mampela into isira abakhawa sabafisi la ngapha
personal experience
hayi anyazi ngitshela uNkulunkulu Anyas, tanga mara obvious, tanga kusobala, tanga like 1 + 1, tanga is 2. Yang so, we are calculating now to keep it to take lo. Uphethe le recruitment le mfisi nalibona mfisi le yinde mfisi tough. Shanga ezinye izandla mfisi yabona okay sure. Baby girl na 18 ha. Kala usha 19 next year.
Tanga shoot my child is this other day, I'm still sitting with the boys outside this other yard of this other boys of ours.
Okay.
So now it's like a rest sort of ama room, so sort of for college students and all that. Shoot my tanga kone ni khotman ishala la paere kile khotman ama khotman kona munye umntana yaphuma lapha shoot my mina ngiyajaya batanga sishaye ingoma zamanyalo tanga ngile
ngithola pleasure
shayeka yenzani khotman
bengisathi kha umchitiyeza umntana ubuye emuva kwakhe nomntana lo shoot my mekeza so ngibheka yona ngithi ayibona kahle mina phuma ngekhiphi ngibheka le mengibheka le yamstanga why lo mntana ukutsa chile mengibheka
yo dawuna mahloni
ngithi mina musanmazi ayi mina isimele with 10 minutes tanga shoot my kid wona tanga PC unosisomncane tanga since sabangani I watched his sister grow in front of us tanga ngizekini every day umntana sekini
yakuyambona okay now
mara kana ndaba nayo cause tanga
awu incozi la
kule shoot my lo mntana ngiyambona uphuma emarumini tanga
bheka uphethe iHotman
thina ngibheka tanga yo ngavele ngathi
ashaya amahloni
ngathi ungasitshintsha senza ukuthi iHotman down yes lento leyo bethu that's like iqala le
abantwana bayavuma nabo
abantwana balambile tangori bagijimisile iHotman nemali phela nemali yonke emhlabeni i300 maybe iphethe manje kwami
khona umunye phela athi ufuna 300 every day
yamshaya ihlaba imenza
ihlala ne-out yakhe ufuna out yakhe njalo ekuseni mayiphuma esipanini beka 300
for ini
for maintenance
uhlala nje
mina unga baby girl bayini ngalo mzuzu ungazimjwayela mase ngikubhadalele ukuthi uhlala la nami la
tanga bro
girlfriend daily allowance
tanga mina tanga nemidila tanga like ngiyalibonga ngithola like ayishani ngidami na very out vele mina ngangazi ngayenzani kumidila mina ngakudisa sembula kumidila ngizwela cause angizazi into lezi abafethu babhekane nazo ngizwela ama allowance nangizazi tanga like ngijule nje 4 years before ngispana ngizwela and bengana mali kuyonke le 4 years ngithola and emayijira bengana neck bengabi nenkinga yokuthi me ayizona instead umuntu obekayenza ama plan if maybe ngithola unokuvela ngidakwa izona ngithola akabe angasasho nokusho ukuthi uyazi ngoba uyazi ukuthi uzomthola isona afike la yangibona iclever yoyihleli lapha ikhindi yabona ikena musekamereni nuka mfethizi ama-socks ayanuka benginama-socks ebhola ke lapha awekapa yangithola ayanuka tanga like ngirelaxile zisepoyoyo afike tanga sikaphethe ikota yalapha yana kwenye indawo yami yamakota fresh ithi jo angingakahle vele ngathi uyazi sikwasikho kunamaqanda kuvela kela kunjani manje ndoda isona benumele izinto kuma already kuyalokya baby ke lo phethe ikota ngisole izola ngiphelile adingazile na 10 rand ngithi jo I understand lento lezi incane zihlala enqondo nomlilo sithola understand
futhi uqalela phansi impossible
aka understand
impossible mara just yoba fucking hard
uqalela phansi mangashakala sihluka
It's sort of like
akaskazi
you are
nalaba ngathi uyenzela kunandaba siyilungisa
noma ngashithela
ubande out asila akumelanga isicoce yeah angeke isaphinde isicoce leso
mara sedli
angeke isaphinde itholakala hayi imdlile kwazi nanejera kuphela akho umuntu owazi
That's you're concerned about the story going around.
Yeah, like isithuzi sami ngizona sibalekile otherwise ichela mfethu udiscipline ngendlela discipline ngendlela
shower out yale Mpumalanga ifika ikhulume ku podcast
sanyo le ibacile leyo amale podcast izophuma istyle khona umuntu okhuluma amasiko ku podcast nokhohle ngaloya mara yena kusomela ngatholakala I feel like I've shared a lot like ngimncane nemara like into engishelele nje ram and into esibuya kuzo ngapha sineyinxusa ngisole so stuck for life anginasikhathi ukuqalela phansi don't understand.
No, dog. It's you see when you say stuck, man.
Yeah.
I feel like maybe it's the wrong term, but it is what it is.
It's just facts. I don't have to sugarcoat shit. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just speaking facts, and they're like, "Happy da."
It's not like you didn't have options.
Even if I had, I'm a fool. Like I'm happy da. And I said, "Nyatalo kwa happy kanji na chu." I'm sorry, like nanoma ngimncane whatever like le share nje relax.
Yeah, you want to bishop missing anything about what that this is side tanga. Each of we did that. Yeah, come on, share my handshake.
Mama data like in my house that like inji like she's chill. Like akanazi into eziningi. Nje lokanazi into ezibhanji the simple things that matter in my boy. We understand le nombolo engifakayo uthini. It's like we can actually make it.
Yeah.
And so like we can actually secure whatever it is or have whatever happy ending or whatever. Angazi nje mara it's possible. And so because abantu abaningi bafocus ku negative ngizolo ukuthi uzo yabo. There's also positive shit like what if sihlanganisa ngizolo.
Wait, dog. Actually, wait, man. The time you had your child, man. Because I have a friend right now who's in a serious situation. So this predicament now is like, when you like, your heart, you know she's busy with like multiple people.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Like probably 3.
It's a spot.
Nice.
Yeah. So now she's adamant and sure that she's saying
to you,
it's yours, PC. It's yours. And me as
you can never be sure for
and me as a brother, I'm telling the brother, I'm like, I tanga mina tanga really please, so come on tanga. I'm gonna come back at 7 and stuff like that. So yeah. Me too. Does Napruela know that you're coming back at 7 and you with another chance, a polo chance, chief? Cause now what the fuck? Young son. So this had now she said now she has a child. The Pruel I'm convincing him with tongue. Please get it in.
Fuck the news. Zingoziyabile. Afundo kwa.
Hey, but see, I'm relaxed 3 months.
3 months.
For a.
Uthazoshaya DNA test.
Vele uzophikisa uthi
mara uyabhadala 2k every month until your 3 months.
Ubani obhadala 2k for it?
No, yasupporta ngisho.
Yes, but
yasupporta.
Isipara kamnandi.
Not mnandi mara yasupporta.
2k is a lot of cash though for a child.
That's like 6k now, and then Carnegie also told it.
But let's say I'll maintain and you find that this is really your kid. Uzofila kanjani?
Uzofila ngathi.
Akakusuka lo tabengazi. Yes, yaxolisa kubengazi ngosho lo muntu obhizi nabantu abaningi.
You feel like you neglected the child, but at the same time, that's what I'm saying.
No, that's just
it has to be something that's crazy, bro. So you have to not look at it in that perspective.
Yeah, don't involve emotions.
Yeah, so just tell her, Guti, nah, dog. You have to keep that situation whereby, meaning I tell her with bro, let's have a DNA test.
Like you gotta understand that I understand that you have multiple partners, and I'm unsure of what you're telling me. Do you understand that? And emotional intelligence, you gotta understand this is pure facts. I wouldn't have peace, but you like.
You could be sure, but it's never 100% thing.
And then mean I want to be 100% sure so I can like
be
fully provide.
Yeah, be at peace.
100% I'm sure because you're gonna try if you're not get a die next single
and then you find out 10 years later. So that's why these people get shot. That's why it's not doing a shit like.
But I shy mini shira mtanga noma ngathi ungayenza because umela kade incosi zami mara nje like point is emhlabeni nje mele nanoma kunzima like ring ivaro ngisolo like ungashiya iskele for your benefit because awukengi ukuthi uthila nomuntu njalo. You can never say you know a person fully, dog.
Until that situation is
because abantu ba react ngendlela ehlukahlukene when put in different situations. I'm so like indoda yabantu bayahlanyela ngaphandle. And they
oh, one last thing before Sivala, last time.
Come confessions are connected.
I'm not my confession.
Hey.
Or do we say they stole your song or they stole your lyrics or your words?
They stole the shit, dog.
No, it's guys, listen, in life, if you can steal your hand, you can definitely steal your song.
It's true.
So like, nah, it's not even that deep anymore, because like the Proella explained, which you know, bruh. The thing is, I that's why you said just don't talk. I value communication. I value the fact that PC, you come to me and say, listen, Tanga KJ, I understand you made a song, man, but I can't master your vocals, or your vocals don't match my song, but I fucking love your lyrics. You see, so I want to use your lyrics, but I have a voice in my mind for. So I can okay. You're gonna keep the lyrics and just
let's just work out some sort of agreement, however, whatever. But like as long as it's always.
Music video, music video, and you're hearing the beat, and it's like, there's a music video, but I'm in this song. I don't remember ever shooting a music video. So now I'm confused. So I'm confused now. I'm like, music video. Now I have to watch it.
Yeah.
Now I'm watching and I hear this and I'm like, wow, that's crazy.
Wow.
Bro, when I was angry, dog.
Wow.
Like he was angry that so I'm getting in on the media, Facebook, comment section and stuff like that. So, but it's not even that deep, bro. I'm still gonna make bang songs.
Oh
it's
shit!
Just part of life.
Them niggas, they tripping. Yeah, they for real. No, like them niggas is tripping. You know the way inside. Yo, like but keeping the music video so much effort. But the music video, it's like it cover my hours. I assume.
Imagine you took so much hours, but you didn't have the
text. So much energy, but can I would like. So that takes a lot of like hate and dedication and all of that. Do you understand? So now we are talking to okay, then freestyle on a whole other level. We need a music video. This person I'm like some based on a poster. Yo,
should you deep on the idea? Like engqondweni yakho ungayicabanga ngeke nguthawo. Le ngithatha ama lyrics wayo ngitshela.
Indoda awunatshela ukuthi like dama this is what ngicabangeza kanjena
exactly.
So wena njengoba angihlanyisa lama lyrics wakho yangisola asihlanganise something because nangapha sinobudlelwane wena nayo because it's akusi secrets ukuthi awagcwala ama lyrics wakho yangisola, so he would want to have you close. You understand?
Anything.
For whatever. So instead of talking and securing that shit, ubona ngathi uyakubhosha uhamba phambili.
So, but it is what it is, man.
It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give.
End of the day, Sivale.
It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you give. You get what you give, man. If you give respect, you're gonna get respect, you know. If you give out hate and envy and all of that weird shit y'all niggas be on, thanks what? That's how it is.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Time, shit. Hey, you give what you get. Siyayvala manje.
PC.